Let's solve one previous question of group. This question was asked in GATE CS 2018, question number 19. Let G be a finite group on 84 elements. The size of a largest possible proper subgroup of G is dash. Proper subgroup means it doesn't contain the trivial subgroup, means size 1 and size 84. Trivial subgroup contains the identity element and the group itself. So proper subgroup, it doesn't contain the trivial subgroup. Rather than trivial subgroup, all other subgroup are proper subgroup. So here order of group given is 84 and order of H, order of proper subgroup can be divisible by 84. So it cannot be 1 and 84, rather than 1 and 84, it can be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42. The numbers which are divisible by 84. But it is asking size of the largest possible proper subgroup. So from this largest size is 42. That's why answer will be 42. The size of the largest possible proper subgroup of G is 42. During subgroup lecture, I already discussed that size of subgroup is always divisible by size of group. Just go through the subgroup lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.